Think you understand space? Buckle up, because it's way weirder than you think. From stars that sing to planets made entirely of diamond, the cosmos plays by no rules we know. And it's not just outer space. Our own planet hides space-like wonders right beneath our feet. Here are 15 unbelievable facts that prove once again, space is crazy. On Venus, time doesn't just pass. It flips the rules upside down. This strange planet takes 243 Earth days to complete one full spin on its axis. But it only takes 225 days to orbit the Sun. That means on Venus, a single day lasts longer than its year. And just to make things more bizarre, Venus rotates in the opposite direction compared to most other planets. So if you lived there, you'd watch the sun rise in the west and set in the east, but only once per year. This is one of many reasons Venus is considered one of the most unusual planets in our solar system. Imagine a planet where diamonds aren't rare. They're everywhere. That's the reality on 55 Cancri, a planet twice the size of Earth and made mostly of carbon. Due to immense pressure and heat, scientists believe this carbon forms massive deposits of crystalline diamond across its surface and deep within. This glowing jewel of a world orbits so close to its star that a year there lasts just 18 hours. Surface temperatures soar above 3,900 degrees, making it completely uninhabitable, but dazzling beyond imagination. It's proof that the universe isn't just infinite, it's luxurious. You may not hear it with your ears, but the stars, they sing. Inside every star, powerful sound waves ripple through hot plasma. These internal vibrations cause the surface to oscillate, like a heartbeat in space. While space itself is a vacuum, sound still travels within the dense interiors of stars. Astronomers use special tools to measure these frequencies in a science called astroseismology. The result? A unique, audible fingerprint for each star. Some stars sing in deep, thunderous tones. Others hum in higher pitches. In the darkness of space, the universe has its own symphony. Ever wonder what space smells like? Astronauts say, burnt steak. After spacewalks, astronauts report a sharp, smoky scent lingering on their suits. Some compare it to welding fumes or burnt metal. Scientists think the smell comes from high-energy particles, atoms ionized by solar radiation that cling to gear and react with oxygen once back in the airlock. While space itself is odorless, the aftermath is undeniable. It's one of those details about space no one expects, but once you hear it, you can't forget it. The vacuum may be silent, but it leaves behind a burnt and bitter signature. Some stars are so massive they make our sun look like a marble. Take UY Scuti, one of the largest known stars. It's over 1,700 times wider than the sun. If placed in our solar system, it would engulf everything out to Saturn. You could fit billions of suns inside this supergiant. These stars live short, but explosive lives, often ending in colossal supernovae or collapsing into black holes. Their sheer scale is almost beyond comprehension. They're bright, bloated, and breathtaking. And they remind us that the universe plays with numbers we can barely imagine. Imagine an object spinning faster than a blender while weighing more than the sun. That's a neutron star, the leftover core of a massive star that exploded in a supernova. These stars are incredibly compact, just 12 miles across, but unimaginably dense, and some of them spin over 700 times per second. That's like the entire mass of the sun compressed into a city, rotating faster than any human-made machine. These spinning neutron stars, called pulsars, beam radiation in rhythmic pulses. They're like cosmic lighthouses blinking in deep space. They are small, dense, and utterly insane. What if everything you know is just one version of reality? According to the multiverse theory, there could be countless universes besides our own. Each might have different laws of physics, alternate versions of Earth, or even different versions of you. Some universes could be just like ours, while others are wildly alien. The idea stems from quantum physics, where every possibility is played out in parallel. Though unproven, many scientists take the idea seriously. It means the cosmos may be more than vast. It may be limitless. Time bends under pressure. Literally, according to Einstein's theory of relativity, gravity affects the flow of time. The closer you are to a strong gravitational field, the slower time moves. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station age just a tiny bit slower than people on Earth. And near a black hole, time can virtually stop. This phenomenon is called gravitational time dilation. And it's not just theory. It's been measured with atomic clocks. So yes, space messes with time. It's not just ticking, it's stretching. Pick up a spoon. Now imagine it weighing more than a mountain. That's what a spoonful of neutron star matter would feel like. Neutron stars are so dense, even a tiny piece weighs around 1 billion tons. It's the collapsed core of a giant star, where atoms are crushed beyond recognition. There's no space, just pure neutron-packed matter. It's so extreme, a single sugar cube-sized piece would crush skyscrapers. This is gravity's masterpiece, a dense, deadly object created by a cosmic explosion. In parts of Norway, the sun plays hide-and-seek. For months, within the Arctic Circle, residents experience long stretches where the sun never rises, in winter, or sets in summer. This phenomenon is called the polar night and the midnight sun. Life doesn't stop. People adapt with special lighting, sleeping masks, and adjusted routines. It affects sleep, mood, and even mental health. Schools and jobs continue as normal, even without a sunrise. It's a strange reality where time feels stretched, like living on another planet, right here on Earth. There's a spot in America where you can stand in 4 states at once. Known as the Four Corners, this is where Utah, Colorado, Arizona, and New Mexico all touch. It's the only place in the US where 4 states meet at a single point. A small monument marks the exact location, making it a favorite for tourists and geography buffs. It's a rare moment where borders meet in perfect symmetry. People line up to pose with a limb in each state. Geography gets real when you're in 4 places at once. Africa is slowly breaking apart, geologically speaking. A massive rift known as the East African Rift is stretching across the continent. Tectonic plates are pulling away from each other, causing the land to crack. Over millions of years, this could lead to a brand new ocean forming, splitting the continent in 2. Already, scientists see volcanic activity, lakes, and deep valleys forming in the region. It's a live demonstration of continental drift. Earth's crust is alive, shifting beneath our feet. Africa is literally in the process of becoming 2 continents. In the Amazon rainforest, there's a river hot enough to kill. In Peru, a natural wonder called the Xanay-Timpixca boils at temperatures up to 200 degrees Celsius. The river isn't heated by a volcano, but by geothermal energy deep underground. It's hot enough to cook animals alive if they fall in. For centuries, locals considered it sacred. Now, scientists study it to understand geothermal phenomena. The boiling river is a haunting, steamy symbol of Earth's hidden power. A deadly current flowed silently through the jungle. The ground beneath your feet isn't always solid. During intense earthquakes, water-saturated soil can behave like liquid, a phenomenon called soil liquefaction. Entire buildings can sink, tip, or collapse. Streets ripple like waves in a storm. It's been recorded in major quakes, including those in Japan and New Zealand. It shows how fragile the Earth's surface truly is. What looks stable can dissolve in seconds. Even solid, land can betray you when the planet shakes. There's an island so dangerous that no humans are allowed near it. Off the coast of Brazil lies Snake Island, home to thousands of deadly golden lancehead vipers. These snakes are so venomous that they can melt flesh in hours. No one lives there. The Brazilian Navy bans visitors for safety. Only select scientists are allowed under strict permits. It's one of the most dangerous places on Earth, not because of weather or terrain, but because of what slithers through its forests. A real-life forbidden zone, hiding just beyond the shore, just beyond the shore.